everybody, my name is Marieke from Magical Vacation Guide, and in this video I want to tell you something about what has happened lately in Disneyland Paris. And it's a lot. I actually want to talk about 4 major things. Christmas is around the corner. Even though you see the backdrop behind me is all Halloween, my mini ears are Halloween, Christmas is around the corner. We have seen the first things that we've noticed about Christmas yet. We have seen their merchandise, Christmas merchandise in the shops in Main Street, and tell me that there are a lot of amazing things. Among a backpack, mini ears and Christmas ornaments. Also Christmas ornaments for the 30th anniversary. So if you want to get those Christmas ornaments for the 30th anniversary, this is your only chance to get it. Christmas is also a bit tricky when booking a Disneyland Paris vacation, because Christmas is the most popular time of the year to go to Disneyland Paris. If you really want to go, but you haven't booked yet, do that now. Just do it now. Because prices are increasing every day, and the parks are getting more full, and they have a reservation system now for as well of the tickets as annual passes as hotels. So you need to get that booked if you want to. Also a little bit tricky about Christmas is that it's also one of the most crowded times of the year where the parks are just packed. They're just full. But you get the most out of your money because there are a lot of extra things around Christmas. So I want to talk to you a little bit about Christmas because it is worth your money. It is worth your stay. Christmas, what can you expect? Also, except the amazing merchandise, mesmerizing decorations, you can also expect a lot of extra entertainment, mostly. And you have the Christmas parade, Disney characters in their Christmas costumes, you have another show, and mostly they have like this big band show in Walt Disney Studios. They mostly have something in Hyperion Cafe where last year they had like these Dickinson singers, which was really nice. If you're eating and then you have the Dickinson show, that was pretty nice. Also, because Christmas is mostly the peak of the year, most attractions are open. Maybe it's a little bit tricky if I say that, but it is the peak of the year, so most attractions are open during that time, so you get the most out of your money. Walt Disney Studios is full up on development. With the arrival of Avengers campers in July this year, there are also a lot of expectations for the rest of the studios. Now you have the world of Pixar, which has been around, but it was the first step of that refurbishment of Walt Disney Studios. Fun fact, when they built Walt Disney Studios, they had to build it, and they had to build it on a small budget, but now they are trying to catch that up. And how are they catching that up? Really amazing. So now they have the world of Pixar and Avengers campus, and they're also working on a frozenland, which is to be open in 2024. So what can you expect from frozenland? You have this huge lake where they will put on shows and in the evening, and then you have like this whole village around with a frozen attraction and a mountain at the end of the frozenland. I put in some concept art so you can see. And they're talking about a second land beside Frozenland, and it could be Star Wars, but yeah, the land is there, so they're probably gonna build something. And there have been rumors about Star Wars, but the main focus now is on building Frozenland. So expect that in 2024, maybe a little bit later, because they're building a whole village. They're building a whole village for Frozen. I mean, that will take up some time. So keep those developments and keep watching those developments, and you'll be updated. The foundation has already been built, has been displayed. So now they're on to the decorations. So 2024 is a really realistic expectation. as of, well, in the beginning of October, it was announced that some Disney partner hotels are no longer Disney partner hotels. We're talking here about the Radisson Blu, Dream Castle and Magic Circus. So what does that mean for you if you're staying at one of the hotels? You will no longer have a Souvenir Express. With a Souvenir Express, you can buy something in the park and let it be delivered at your hotel. With those partner hotels, you could do it, but not anymore. And also the shuttle buses will not run anymore. They will run until the end of March 2023. But after that, there will be no more shuttle buses available. So what partner hotels can you get to for now? You have the B&B hotel, you have Campanile, you have Explorers, that's what they said. Das Village Natuur Paris. That's a little, yeah, it does live a come, but they don't have a shuttle bus. And they don't have a Souvenir Express, but they have a whole other package. So if you want to know what's the deal with Village Nature, just check out this video and there we explain it all. But keep in mind, if you're booking one of the hotels for a period after March 2023, you will no longer are able to go on that shuttle bus. Now for more positive news, Disney Delight show on the, well, with the castle and with the drones. You probably heard of it or even have seen it. Did you see it? Let us know down in the comments. It is one of the best shows, don't you think? Well, it is announced that it is chosen to be the best show from a theme park in 2022 worldwide by these official theme park awards. So congratulations Disneyland Paris on getting in that award for best show for Disney Delight. It is amazing, one of the best shows, and it has inspired so many other, well, theme parks and events, because we see it all now all over the internet, all these drone shows. We saw lately we saw one with the Pokemon, and they're now implementing into other theme parks. But Disneyland Paris, we want to congratulate you with getting that award. So here you have it, our news bulletin for the month of October 2022. If you want to be updated on more news, or do you want to get more tricks and tips on how to navigate your way through Disneyland Paris and get the most worth out of your money, subscribe to our channel and check out all of our other videos. We have a lot of other videos. But for now, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.